If you write in Microsoft Word a lot, Grammarly can save you a ton of time by helping you rewrite, refine, and improve your text without constantly switching apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Grammarly on Microsoft Word step by step, including how to install it and how to use the text selection feature to rewrite sentences and paragraphs faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. First, you need to install the Grammarly desktop application. Open your browser and go to grammarly.com/desktop. From there, download the installer for your computer. If you're on Windows, grab the Windows version. If you're on a Mac, download the Mac version instead. Once the file finishes downloading, open it and run the installer. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the setup process. It usually only takes a few minutes, so just keep clicking through the installation steps until it finishes. After the installation is complete, open the Grammarly app and sign into your account. Use the email and password connected to your Grammarly account so the app can activate properly. Once you're signed in, Grammarly will begin integrating with Microsoft Word and other desktop apps on your computer. At that point, you should be ready to start using it inside Word. Now let's go into Microsoft Word and look at the rewriting feature. This is one of the most useful parts of Grammarly because it lets you improve text directly inside your document without copying and pasting into another tool. To begin, open the Word document you want to edit and find the sentence or paragraph you want to change. Use your mouse to highlight the exact text you want Grammarly to work on. You can select a single sentence, a full paragraph, or even a larger block of writing depending on what you need. Once the text is selected, look to the left side of your writing area. Grammarly should show a blue sidebar or blue bar next to the selected text. This blue bar is important because it replaces the standard grey sidebar you might see for general suggestions. When you click that blue bar, Grammarly will open a pop-up window with AI-powered rewriting options. Inside that window, you'll see several tools you can use depending on your goal. If you want better clarity and smoother flow, choose Improve. If you want the same idea rewritten in a different way, choose Rephrase. If you need the text in another language, select Translate. If your sentence feels too long or wordy, click Shorten to make it more concise. If you want to change the tone, you can use friendly or formal to match the style you need. And if none of the preset options are quite right, you can use custom prompt and type your own specific instruction into the text field at the top. This is especially helpful when you want more control over the final result. For example, you can tell Grammarly to make a sentence sound more professional, more persuasive, or simpler for a general audience. Instead of rewriting everything manually, you can let Grammarly generate a few strong options for you in seconds. After you choose the option you want, Grammarly will generate a new version of your selected text. Take a moment to review it carefully and make sure it says exactly what you want. If it looks good, click Accept or Insert to replace the original text in your Word document. If you don't like the result, you can try a different option or use another custom prompt until you get the wording you want. That's really all there is to it. Once Grammarly is installed and connected, you can use it in Microsoft Word to rewrite text, adjust tone, shorten paragraphs, translate content, and polish your writing much faster than doing everything manually. It's a simple workflow, but it can make a huge difference if you write reports, articles, assignments, emails, or any kind of document in Word. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.